What will happen now that the American Congress voted to impeach Donald Trump for a second time? Will the new coronavirus strains derail the hopes generated by the vaccines? And why is China imposing new lockdowns? This and more in this week's In Retrospect. On Wednesday night, Donald Trump became the first American president to be impeached for a second time. 10 Republican congressmen and women joined the entire Democrat contingent and accused him of having incited the crowds that stormed the Capitol during the confirmation of the electoral results by the Senate. The full implications of this vote are yet to unfold, as the Senate also needs to rectify it through a qualified majority of at least 2/3 of lawmakers. Many believe that Donald Trump deserves to be held accountable for inciting his supporters to storm the Capitol, but others think that pursuing such objective will not be positive, will not be helpful, because what the country calls for now is reconciliation and unity. One way or the other, we will continue to follow these developments over the weeks and months ahead. New strains of the coronavirus are causing concern. Variations found in the UK, Brazil and South Africa are proving to be much more contagious than the original, leading to a rapid escalation in the number of new infections and threatening to overwhelm health systems. In the meantime, authorities around the world are racing against the clock to immunize their populations and using lockdowns to minimize the transmission rate. The Chinese government, facing the worst coronavirus outbreak since the summer, placed more than 22 million people under lockdown. This is double the number of individuals affected last January in Wuhan, and a reminder that the pandemic is still far from being under control, with Beijing declaring an average of 109 cases per day over the last week. In the markets, the US dollar is experiencing a renaissance in relation to other major currencies, gaining ground as investors weigh in a new political landscape in Washington, one that is likely to deliver a fiscal stimulus package that far exceeds previous expectations. Should such a scenario materialize, the Fed will then be likely to start tapering its asset purchase program earlier than expected. The prospect of a more robust fiscal intervention and the potential change of stance by the Fed is allowing the benchmark treasury yield to rise above 1% for the first time in months. As the greenback becomes more attractive, the increase in demand is likely to create more upside for the American currency over the next few weeks. This is all for today. I will be back next week with more views on current affairs and the financial markets. In the meantime, you can go to ActivTrades.com or ActivTrades.eu for more market analysis. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the like button. Thank you very much for watching.